Hello guys, in this video we will learn how you can open an account in a CIBC. It's a very simple and it's very easy. So first of all you have to open your browser, whether you are using Chrome or Edge, whatever you're using. Type on your browser this cibc.com. After clicking, it will first link will appear on your interface, and click on that. After clicking on that link, you will see this interface, this banking interface, and from now here you have to hover on banking accounts. Now here, go if you want to open a business account or saving account as per your requirements. Click on that. For me, I will open my account in savings. Click on that. So here you can see there are some packages of opening account. For example, CIBC Advantage Saving Account, CIBC Personal Account, CIBC Tax Advantage Saving Account. So you can choose whatever need of yours. So that's it. Now here, from here you can apply now. And after this, so you have to these qualifications: your residency in Canada, you have to reach the age of majority in your province or territory, and you may have to verify your identity digitally with your government issued ID. So yeah, you have to have these things. Now from if you have these things, these three things, you can start your application. I'm not already created the account, so I have to click on no continue. I will click on no continue. So after that, this form will appear on your screen. Just simply you have to enter your first name, your ID, and your last name on the ID, and your email address, and you are agreed their privacy and policy agreement. After you fill this form, and you have to click on the next. Now after this clicking next button, it next form will appear, and where there you have to put your all the information, you like your tax information and your employee details, and the purpose of the account. Once you have completed all these steps, carefully review your application to make sure everything is correct. Finally, check the box to agree the terms and conditions, then click to submit. That's it. You have successfully applied for your CIBC account. And if this video helped you to anyway, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.